Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel CM with Logic. So I hope your costing paper went well. It's okay. There will be few people who might be feeling that their paper was not as per their expectation. It's completely fine, my dear. Forget about the past. Focus on your present so that you can change your future. Okay. So before starting audit strategy, okay, I'll just quote out one of my favorite quote, which is winning the war is more important than battle. Remember this till your end of your life. Okay. So, sir, now let's comes to audit strategy discussion. So, how we will be spending our 15 to 17 hours of our audit preparation. Okay. So, how many, sir? There will be lots of students who might don't have a proper plan that which chapter how much time they need to contribute. Okay, so nothing to worry about it. I have created a detailed plan, 1.5 day master strategy, where I have divided into four blocks. Okay, so you can see it, four blocks, how you will be spending at each point of time. Okay, I have given the timing also, chapter name which you need to cover, how many marks it will going to fetch you by covering this particular chapter, and within how much time you need to cover. All the four things I have given it, okay, so that you can plan it accordingly. Then comes, sir, from where can I get this PDF file which you are showing? Nothing to worry. You can join our Telegram channel, CM Edit Logic. The link is given in the description box. Just click on that and you can get access of this particular PDF. Then comes, sir, how to secure 50 to 60, 50 marks, how to secure 50 marks sure shot. So I'll tell you one honestly, minimum 16 mark students are able to secure an MCQ part. Okay, 80 percentage students, because I have seen lots and lots of copies. Okay, so I have able to figure it out. One thing that students are able to secure at least 16 marks out of 30 marks in MCQ part. Okay. So then rest of the 26 marks are only 24 marks are only needed to get the passing marks, which is 40. Okay. So apart from that, we will not be targeting that 24 marks. We will be keeping it as a 35 marks. How from which all chapters these 35 marks, if we learn, we will be able to secure it. Nothing to worry. I have written it over here also, that out of 15 question, we know it well that 4 marks. Okay. So there will be in each question, there will be a three parts. Okay. 4. So there will be total 15 questions. Out of that, 7 questions from these topics only it will be tested. For sure, I am saying very confidently. So first try to cover Caro. Okay. It will going to give you 4 to 5 marks. Okay. So para number 3, I have written it very accurately and precisely. Which are all clauses also you need to remember in Caro. So para number 3, clause number 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 20. These are all the clauses which you need to learn it very properly and detailedly. Okay. Then cover chapter number 1, where you need to focus on only 6 topics. Okay, I have created one index mapping of from the ICI study material, that which are all concept you need to focus more. One is the scope of audit, inherent limitation of audit, elements of an assurance engagement. What is the difference between audit and review? Type of assurance engagement. Okay, so I have detailedly highlighted in yellow points that which role concept you need to focus in the chapter number 1. Okay, the same way I have highlighted for all the 11 chapters. Nothing to worry. This file also you can get from our Telegram channel, CM Edit Logic. The link is given in the description box. In chapter number 2, if you see, only 6 topics you need to cover. One is the nature of audit planning and continuation and iterative process. Then what are all the factors? Okay, factors need to be considered for establishing audit strategy. What is the relationship between audit strategy and audit plan? Then comes what are all changes during, if there is any change in the plan, under what circumstance the changes will be there, okay, in the audit plan. Okay, then the what is the assistance to be kept in mind while drawing audit program. Okay, then comes what is the purpose of program construction. Following points need to be kept. What are all the following points you need to keep in the mind for drawing an audit program? So these are all the six topics which you need to focus it on. Okay, then comes, sir, then comes chapter number one. We have covered it. Then chapter number 11, which is audit, sorry, engagement and the terms of engagement. Very easy chapter and very important chapter. Sure, short, I'm saying one or two questions will be there in your exam paper. Okay, then comes audit documentation. Very simple chapter. Even less than 4 pages, this chapter gets covered in a summary form. Okay, then comes completion review. These three standards which are covered in the completion review. So out of this, SA 560 and SA 580 are the most important. One question is definitely expected from these two standards. Okay. Then comes audit report. Under audit report, SA 700 series, SA 701, SA 600, and reporting requirements under Companies Act. Very, very, very important reporting requirements under Companies Act. Okay, so it will again going to give you 4 to 5 marks. Then comes chapter number two. I have already said those 5 to 6 topics. If you cover these chapters, definitely you will be able to score. It will going to cover at least 35 marks in your exam paper. Okay, so out of 15 questions, 7 questions are from these chapters which I have discussed it about. Okay, then comes for all the chapters, for important topics, I have highlighted it. Nothing to worry about it. You can just see chapter number 3 as well. Okay, which is nothing but risk assessment and internal control. Very big chapter. Okay, so I have given it over here also that this particular thing can be risk of material misstatement can also be tested in the form of some small sum, like they can test in the MCQ as well, 2 marks MCQ. And what is audit risk, which is not included. Okay, under audit risk, watch, there are 2 points which is not included in audit risk. Okay, these 2 points you need to learn from MCQ point of view. Then I have highlighted what is the risk assessment procedure, what all things are being included, what is analytical procedure, what is observation and inspection. Okay, then comes to SA 320, which is materiality, determination of materiality. What all factors are determined for materiality. Then what is meant by performance materiality, what are all factors you need to consider for use of benchmark. Everything I have detailedly covered it. Then if there is revision in the materiality level, how you need to document it, everything. Okay, so I have detailedly highlighted all the important things which you need to focus it on. This index mapping has been completely prepared as per ICA study material. So you just cover out all the important things, whatever, wherever I have highlighted it. This is very accurately and detailedly I have highlighted, and even I have written it over somewhere that how you need to learn this concept. You need to understand the meaning of the term. And this can be tested in the form of MCQ as well as in the question answer. 3 times of reading is definitely needed if you were revising it earlier. Okay. So everything I have detailedly highlighted. Just go through this PDF. Okay, this is of 33 pages. Then comes to chapter number 5. Under this chapter also I have highlighted which are all things you need to cover, and what are all disclosures. You, even if you are ignoring it, you, it's completely fine. You can see that reserves and surplus disclosures are not important. Then comes borrowing related disclosures are not important. So trade receivables disclosures, you can read it once if you have time. Otherwise, you can ignore it. Cash and cash equivalents is completely irrelevant. Okay. Then inventory is very important concept. I have forgot to highlight it. Okay. So disclosures here also, disclosure is not important in the inventory part. You can just ignore it, or if you have time, you can just go through it once. Then comes property, plant and equipment. This is also very important concept. I have forgot to highlight this. Rest of the things is very accurate. Yes. Okay. then yeah, everything is very accurate. Okay, so you just go through this PDF and try to recall the things, try to learn the things. You will be able to do well in your examination for sure. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching the video. Okay.